So this morning I thought I'd play around a bit with, on a whim, just sort of play around a bit with Phoenix. And I have zero previous experience with Alexa or Erlang or Phoenix. And the goal was to um, not code anything, but totally vibe code a example of or something that would give a good example of live view, where which is Phoenix's solution for updates via WebSockets, creating very interactive solution. So I thought to do something where you can have some sort of a poll or a voting system where you vote and the data updates real time. So what we had is we just have a basic voting um, mechanism with different options where you can also add an additional code language. And then you've got voting trends. This is sort of a so we're using time series to capture each event. We're not just doing a tally or total of each vote. We are doing actually capturing events over time, and the, these can be displayed via our voting trends. And then we also have results overview as a pie chart.
Yes, it is.
So obviously we're going to see something skewed right now if we select our first vote, because you only have one vote, it's got 100% of the votes. If we give a second one, it gets its share of the pie, and so forth. And then we can go down to our voting trends. We just go to 5 minutes. So this updates every several seconds, and then we can see where these are sitting. So we've voted for 3 languages so far, and they're all equal percentage. It's around about 33.3%. So it'll show up like that. If we give one of them a higher voting, let's just go and say closure, give it another 2 votes, and we can go back down. Let's just reset this. What's going on here? Okay, there we go. So we can see. So we don't see the purple and the orange separating well there, but you get the idea, right? To show you this in action, I'm going to open a incognito browser. Actually, let me open a different browser. Let's take Brave. So we just open up port 4000, and let's go down to our results here. So if let's bring PHP up a bit. So now we've added it, and you'll see it's now added to the results overview. By the way, this will also order according to the vote count, and we'll also see that it's updated here. And we can also watch you'll see Java's going to start updating their Dart as well. Where's Dart here? Let's see, let's bring Dart into view. There you go. So this works pretty well, and there's no funny mechanisms like Redis or use of a database for the WebSocket or a under other mechanism other than just the Phoenix framework with WebSockets required for these updates. I may do a walkthrough of the code sometime, but yes, I was able to do this all via vibe coding. It was a number of prompts, but the initial prompt was quite impressive as to what it accomplished. I wish I had recorded the whole thing. Um, then, and I didn't have to know much technically about hooks and the various things that Phoenix does. Obviously, it's inspiring me to go and learn more about it now, and get more savvy as to um, the workings and understand Alexa better. But I was pretty blown away as to how well um, I used Sonnet 4.5, how well it was able to accomplish this. But I did use Augment Code, which is good at this sort of thing as well. Um, I'm going to do a test if I get some time. I'll probably try and do the same thing, replicate this with Ruby on Rails, and see how well it fares. But I've got a feeling it's going to, with turbo streams and stuff, it's going to be an interesting challenge for it. I don't think it'll be as elegant as with Phoenix.